This amplified subwoofer enclosure tucks neatly under the Polaris General driver side dash, adding serious low end without taking up usable cabin space or looking out of place. The enclosure is molded from tough linear low-density polyethylene, so it stands up well to trail abuse, moisture, and temperature swings that would challenge a typical car sub-box. A 10-inch polypropylene driver, paired with a 250-watt root mean square Class D amplifier, delivers tight, authoritative bass that easily cuts through engine and wind noise on the trail. Because the amplifier is built into the enclosure, you only need to run power and signal, which simplifies wiring and eliminates the hassle of finding a separate mounting spot for an external amp. Installation is straightforward thanks to the use of factory mounting points, so there is no need for cutting or drilling into your Polaris General interior. The vehicle-specific design for select Polaris General models means the enclosure fits securely, stays out of the way of pedals and legroom, and feels like an original equipment upgrade rather than an add-on box.